Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 540 videos dedicated to urban farming. Learn how to thrive, survive, stay out of the hive, stay alive, become truly self-sufficient on my channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. You can become a master gardener just by watching my videos. And here we are inside the Hickman greenhouse. Haven't been in here in a couple of weeks, but it is just looking amazing. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and pan. Oh, we've got our Jamaican callaloo right here going to seed, so we never have to buy another Jamaican callaloo plant again, of course. And this seed crop is very important. And just look at the abundance. Look at the abundance and look how healthy everything is growing over here. Oh, look at that beautiful Swiss chard, as big as my hand. Let's come over here. Oh, look at some of the kale. Oh, who doesn't love kale? Look at some of the kale. Fresh, healthy, organic for you. Look at that. Oh, just amazing. Right here. Now I could barely even walk around in here because of the abundance. The abundance. The abundance. The abundance. Isn't nature amazing? This is a live interactive video on this platform. We're connected to 147 million people right now. And very, so nutritious. Very good. Now, what makes this model so special, this greenhouse is a little bit different in design than the other greenhouse, the main greenhouse. This is designed to be an example of an off-grid system, Farmer Mike. Well, what do we mean by that? Well, this greenhouse is actually on the edge of an old growth forest right here. And so it stays a lot cooler naturally. And it also collects rainwater. And it's raining outside right now. I'm going to give you a quick example, of course. So as the water comes in, it goes into these tanks right here. And this tank is actually completely full. If we leave it with water in the winter, it will get charged by the sun and create heat, emit BTUs at night, free heat back into here. But I can barely even walk around in here because, look at these collards. Look at these kale, of course. And so we're doing it naturally, organically, but more important, sustainability. So don't have to worry about leaving the water on because this is a system that we get, enough water here in the Midwest, roughly 40 inches per year. And as we can see, it's dripping free water right now, We have a simple screening system. And you could actually take this and you could put a series of UV filtration, some sand filters, and bring it up to drinking water quality right here. But it's healthier for the plants because it has no chlorine, chloramine, or any chemicals or anything like that. And as you can see, I'm going to pan down again. As you can see, the proof is in the pudding, as grandmother Ophelia would say. So let's come down here and let me go ahead and show you how it works. We pull this lever, and we've got an abundance of free water. And if that isn't a sustainable system, I don't know what is. Farmer Mike, I gotta walk through the abundance of all of these super healthy greens. Something got in here. Maybe a caterpillar and helped himself. I don't blame you, Mr. Caterpillar. Who could resist these greens right here? And holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, right around the corner. So this greenhouse is looking good. Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, showing you a truly self-sufficient, sustainable systems. If I can do it, you can do it too. Don't get caught tripping. Build your sustainable system right now, like the gangster gardener Ron Finley says. Growing your own food It's like printing your own money. Thanks for watching this masterclass. I'll see you in the next video.